Sometimes I have to keep on breathing in. My lungs are filled with too much pain. All the shadows of the past that I'm so leaving, they held me in my sleepless nights. And I'm running in the noise like a free fall, walking along my path for too long. Save myself from the visions in my mind. Save myself from the war I have to fight. And I can take it all away. All of my dreams are fading. Save myself from the visions in my mind. Save
What's up guys, DCS here, welcome back to my videos. How are you all been? I hope you guys are really enjoying yourselves out there. So, this time, it is the Hot Wheels series, as usual, just like the previous one, you know, the Chevy C10, which I uploaded previously. Oh yeah, that was a really cool pickup truck. Check that out, it'll be up in the screen right here, you know, right here. Alright guys, so talking about today's video, it is a really cool one guys, cause it's got 2 out of 5 in HW space, you know, quite a new one. It's the Tesla Roadster with a Starman. Of course you've heard the story, right? You know, Elon Musk just shot a Tesla Roadster into space and we don't know what happened to the astronaut. Yeah, leaving that guys, the car is also really cool. Okay, not as cool as the present Tesla Roadster, which can do a 0 to 60 in 1.9 seconds and all, but still, it is a really good one. Like, it's just like the Lotus Elise. Okay, that's not a cool thing. Alright, it's an electric sports car. Okay, that was a bad one. Never mind guys. Oh yeah, talking about the previous video which I had uploaded, it had a quiz guys. So the question was, Lexus is the luxury vehicle division of which Japanese car manufacturer? The answer guys, it's a pretty easy one, the Toyota. It is Toyota guys. And of course the first person to comment the right answer, Danush B as usual. Congratulations there buddy, I'm running out of congratulations, you know. So here you go, there's your shout out. And yeah, let's just unbox this Tesla Roadster, you know. I said, it's not so cool, but still, let's just unbox it. And now, looking at the Tesla Roadster, guys, in my opinion, this car ain't so bad. Even though the design, you know, is borrowed from, yeah, the Lotus Elise, it is pretty nice, guys. I really like those sharp wheels. It was in the Tesla Model X too, which I reviewed. Check that out, it'll be in the DCS HW playlist. So yeah, it has the same wheel design in this car too. I really appreciate Hot Wheels for doing that. And talking about its front headlamps guys, that is pretty nice over there. It has that kind of like the glass headlamps, which is continued from the windshield to yeah, the headlamps only, not the tail lamps. But still, it is quite nice. I really like the transparent windshield too. And it also has detailing of the tail lamps back there. It's pretty cool. And I can't brag about the exhaust because this is an electric. But on the interior, they haven't focused much, guys. The steering wheel is coming out of the steering column. That is pretty weird. They haven't focused much on the Starman too. It looks like a ghost in there. Well, I can't say much about it right now. Alright, so why don't we just go for the information now? And here we are. So let's know something about this amazing Tesla Roadster right here. So as this is a performance electric car, let's go for the top speed. The top speed of this car is 124.9 miles per hour, which is 201 kilometers per hour, guys. Not very impressive numbers. It's kind of okay. Let's go for the 0 to 60 time, guys. 0 to 60 time in this car, it's 3.9 seconds, which is a round off of 4 seconds. That also ain't an impressive number. Well, let's go for the engine, guys. I mean, the motor. It's a 3-phase 4-pole AC induction motor right there. I don't know what that exactly means, but yeah, that's the motor on the hood. And this car is a rear wheel drive, guys. Well, going for the pricing, it's ranging from $109,000 to about $128,000. That is for the Sport Edition, guys. And the transmission is a 1-speed BorgWarner fixed gear. Well, no fun in that, it's not a manual. Alright, going for the horsepower, guys. The horsepower in the convertible is 248 horsepower, whereas if you go for the Sport, which is also convertible, it's 288 horsepower. Not much of a difference, but okay. Going for the body style is a 2-door convertible. Tell me about its production, guys. The production actually began at 2008 and it ended up at 2012. That is for this generation's Tesla Roadster, guys. Well, going for the length of this Tesla is 3,946 millimeters. Well, tell me about the width. The width of this Tesla is 1,873 millimeters. Going for the weight, guys, the curb weight of this Roadster is 1,235 kilograms, which is pretty light, I guess. Okay, guys, there it is, the end of the information. So now it's time for one thing, the ratings. So looking at all of its details, which was kind of nice, and going for the information, which was kind of disappointing with its numbers and all, I give it an 8.5 out of 10, guys. Let me know your ratings in the comment box. I'll check them out. So I'll see you guys next week. This is the end of my video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button to all the new people who are watching this video. So stay tuned for my next week's video. Bye bye now. Enjoy your weekend.